I would like to invite Mike from US Embassy to give their remarks. This project, me being an IVLP alumni from the US Embassy, there's an alumni fund, Alumni Engagement Innovation Fund. I had applied for it, and US Embassy has been very supportive in everything. So this training was possible because of them and a lot of other supporters, which you can see on the designs. So Mike, a few words from you would be really encouraging.
Thank you very much. Namaste, everybody. How are you doing? Sante Honucha? All right. It's really great to be here for the launch of this event, and also good to see just some old friends in the audience. I know we got some sharks. We have a shark swimming around in the back there. But it's such an honor to be here for the launch of ScaleUp Nepal, which, as Amit mentioned, is an Alumni Engagement Innovation Fund initiative from the United States government, from the U.S. Department of State. And really what this is, it is highlighting the power of U.S. government exchange alumni-led innovation. And so I think to understand why this matters, it helps to start really with a simple question. Who are U.S. government exchange alumni? Each year, more than 50 Nepali participants travel to the United States to take part in U.S. government-funded exchange programs. And really through these programs, Nepali professionals strengthen their personal and professional skills, learn global best practices, and build lifelong connections around the world. And so when they return home, that experience doesn't end. It doesn't end here in Nepal. They become U.S. government alumni, and they join a global network that now includes more than 2.4 million alumni around the world. And it is a community of leaders, innovators, and problem solvers who are really continuing to put what they learned into practical practice. And that is really the bigger, larger context of what's happening today. Because ScaleUp Nepal reflects the strong and enduring partnership between America and Nepal, and it really underscores the important role U.S. government exchange program alumni play in driving innovation and driving opportunity and really just positive change across their communities. And the Alumni Engagement Innovation Fund is really just one way to help turn that potential into real, practical, tangible results. Through this fund, the United States supports alumni-led initiatives that promote shared values, encourage innovation, and deliver meaningful local impact. And ScaleUp Nepal is just a really strong example of that because it's bringing together expertise in areas like AI and finance, design thinking, and the more intangible things like emotional intelligence, which is really just the exact mix of skills that today's tech-enabled businesses really need to grow and scale and compete globally. And so in that spirit, I just really want to commend our IVLP alumnus here, Amit Agrawal, for leading a program that responds directly to the shifting and evolving needs of Nepal's entrepreneurs and startups. This kind of alumni leadership that we're seeing here today is exactly why this fund was designed and meant to promote. And it's really meant to promote locally driven solutions that meet real market demands. And I think that, and to my team at the embassy, I think the stakes are clear. Innovation and technology are powerful drivers of economic growth, productivity, job creation, and even most especially for young people, because when entrepreneurs have access to the right tools, the right knowledge and networks, they can turn ideas into scalable and sustainable solutions that create jobs and expand opportunity. This initiative also reinforces something bigger than technical training. It reflects our shared commitment to innovation, collaboration, and digital opportunity, along with the long-standing people-to-people ties between America and Nepal. And so, looking ahead, we are especially excited that ScaleUp Nepal will expand to 5 additional provinces, extending digital skills and entrepreneurial capacity across the country. And so that expansion matters because innovation should not be limited to just one network or to one city, right? It should be accessible to talented entrepreneurs wherever they are. And so the U.S. Embassy is proud to support alumni-led initiatives that strengthen Nepal's startup ecosystem, that promote responsible innovation, and help Nepali businesses compete on a global stage. And so, in closing, congratulations to everybody here. Very competitive process, bidding out basically the top 30% of the applicants here in Kathmandu. And just congratulations to all of the organizers and also the sponsors involved in this project. As Steve Jobs once said, innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. And so we are confident that the entrepreneurs that all of you in this room are choosing to lead, and we look forward to seeing the ideas, businesses, and impact emerge from this program. And so, best of wishes for a productive, innovative, and inspiring journey ahead. Thank you so much, everybody. Dhanyabad.
Thank you so much, Mike, for your inspiring remarks.